Yo, what's poppin'? It's your boy Brennan. I'm down here at Anchor Cove diving on the Hobbit today. We're gonna do some regular maintenance on this boat. Here's some before and afters.
Whoa, I know I've seen cold nights. I don't wanna go back, I just wanna be better. Cold nights, and I'm praying that it don't last forever. I know I got a purpose, a purpose. I said I know I got a purpose, a purpose. I said I know I got a purpose, a purpose. I know I got a purpose, a purpose. Yeah, trying to survive through them cold nights. Heard you packing on your pleasures, but you're not alright. Yeah, you hold it in, they say don't cry, but I can see the pain deep in both eyes. But you can't hide, trying to stay in the lines. I know they think we thriving, but we barely alive. I know they think they feeling what I'm feeling inside. Been thirsty for this healing, like been leaving me dry. Whoa, I just hope they listen. Will they go the distance? I know something's missing. Tryna change, but I can't get away. I know I've seen cold nights. I don't wanna go back, I just wanna be better. Cold nights, and I'm praying that it don't last forever. I know I got a purpose, a purpose. I said I know I got a purpose, a purpose. I said I know I got a purpose, a purpose. I know I got a purpose, a purpose. Yeah, back, forth and back. Your heart can't heal when you're chained to the past. Try to cover up, but the lies won't last. 3 in the morning, but the drain can't fill the cracks. Hey, send me a new day. Trapped up in my mind, I need a whole runway. Take this weight up off of me before it's too late. I done did so many things that I can't change, yeah. In these cold, cold nights, I'm tired of trying to fight. Can you save a man as I? Can you save a man as I? I know I've seen cold nights. I don't wanna go back, I just wanna be better. Cold nights, and I'm praying that it don't last forever. I know I got a purpose, a purpose. I said I know I got a purpose, a purpose. I said I know I got a purpose, a purpose. I know I got a purpose, a purpose, yeah. Follow me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. As I walk this road, whoa. Back to the grind. They panicking, look like mannequins standing in the line. They waiting for me. This a day in the life of mine. I open the window, get it started, clocking at 9. Then I look out, scan the crowd, time to bring the books out. But when I look in the mirror, it bring the crook out. I'm thirsty, I'm searching for something to bring the brook out. I'm dry inside, feel like my whole spirit shook out. Time and time and time again, they just throwing stones at me, I just need a friend. We're around town, there's a friend on the rise. Turns out he's next in line, he just looked in my eyes and said, follow me.
But check out this view, oh my God. Look at this. We can only have this because we're at high tide right now. But look at this beautiful sunset happening out here. Hey, yo, thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, do whatever you feel like doing. But yeah, deuces from Anchor Cove.